In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a product status on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur or just starting out, managing your product catalog efficiently is crucial. So let's dive in and learn how you can navigate Shopify to update the status of your products easily. To begin this process, you'll need to first go to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On your Shopify dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and features that help you manage your online store. For our task today, you'll want to focus on the Products section. So once you're on your store's homepage, look for the Products tab on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on it will take you to a list of all the products that are currently in your store. Now that you've clicked on Products, you should see a detailed list of every item that's been added to your store. Scroll through your products or search for the specific product you'd like to change. For this demonstration, we'll be focusing on Example Shirt 2. Click on the name of the product to open its details page. This is where you can view and edit all the information related to this particular product, such as descriptions, images, and variants. Once you're on the product details page, you should notice various options and settings. Pay attention to the right-hand side of the page where you'll see the Product Status section. Here, the product status is currently set as active, indicating that your product is live on your store and visible to customers. However, there may be times when you need to change this status, such as when you're updating inventory or managing seasonal products. Simply click on the Active button to reveal additional status options. A drop-down will appear. Now, select Draft from the drop-down. Changing the product status to Draft essentially means that this item will be removed from your live store, and customers will no longer be able to view or purchase it until you decide to reactivate it. This option is useful for when you're making changes, awaiting restock, or preparing a seasonal product for relaunch. After selecting Draft, make sure to save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom right of the page, depending on your Shopify setup. It's important to remember to save your changes to ensure the product status is updated accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the product status on Shopify. This small but crucial detail helps in maintaining control over what's available to your customers and can play a significant role in your store's inventory management. Thank you for watching and happy selling!